Highway Code Rule 71. You must not, legal requirement, cross the stop line when the traffic lights are red. Some junctions have an advanced stop line to enable you to wait and position yourself ahead of the other traffic so they can see you clearly and you are in a safer position. Highway Code Road Junctions Rule 72. On the left. When approaching a junction on the left, watch out for vehicles turning in front of you, out of or into the side road. Just before you turn, check for undertaking cyclists or motorcyclists. Do not ride on the inside of vehicles signalling or slowing down to turn left. They may not be aware that you're on their inside. They could make a left turn and knock you off your cycle. Highway Code Rule 73. Pay particular attention to long vehicles which need a lot of room to manoeuvre at corners. Be aware that drivers may not see you. They may have to move over to the right before turning left. Wait until they have completed the manoeuvre, because the rear wheels come very close to the curb while turning. Do not be tempted to ride in the space between them and the curb, which is in the lorry driver's blind spot. Highway Code Rule 74. On the right. If you are turning right, check the traffic to ensure it is safe. Then signal and move to the centre of the road. Wait until there is a safe gap in the oncoming traffic and give a final look before completing the turn. It may be safer to wait on the left